All right, here we go. We put that board back in. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics on the Progressive EMS LCWH50 or the 50 amp surge protector. Now, let me turn it around. See, L1, 118 volts, 2 amps. L2, 118 volts, 0 amps. 60 hertz, arrow 00. So, normal. All right. Well, folks, I don't know how that board fell out there, unless they hit a real big hole. But right there's the rear axle. It's a 40-foot diesel pusher. So I don't know. It was tight when I pushed it in. All right. So we're just tracking down electrical. That's something I found. So that's not the problem. But now I know if that leg goes bad or anything, or how many amps are drawn. They do make a remote panel for this. All right, for those out there, Progressive, some of the best stuff made on the market. And then you would probably, I would consider Hughes, make some good stuff, voltage stabilizers and all that. And there's a lot of people out there don't like them. All right, so I'm gonna open that panel up right there, get electrocuted, and I'm gonna look at the contacts, see if anything neutral wires are famous for being burnt. So I'll put you on pause. All right, we're back. I'm gonna flip it around to show you. We're looking at all your neutral wires where they plug into. I've already touched them. So your red, black, white, neutral, everything looks good and clean. I look from the side, right there. I don't want to touch it, but right there, the contacts aren't burnt. You go from the side and look. All right, so you're asking why there's all these contacts in here. Well, one of them's a total neutral bar, right? And self-explanatory. This middle one's a generator. This is your house and shoreline. There's your shore. And there's your load panel, or what they call the house. So these are two inputs, generator and shore. And this is going to the output. Right there. That's your output. That one. Alright, so the EMS comes from over there, 50 amp, comes through, goes into the surge protector, comes back out. Alright, right there it is. Alright, and that goes up into the shore. Notice the shore's a little bit heavier on wiring. Okay. Alright, well, we didn't find no problems in here. That's a time delay board. There's a relay. When you hear that click and all, here's your adjustment switches when those contacts pull out. We can go in detail on this later. I'm actually getting ready to do a coach disconnect and connect relay. All right, I'm gonna wire it up and everything, show you how to do it, how you troubleshoot it, how to get out of a jam, you know, like, hey, do this, do that, bang, and worry about the problem later when you get home. Get a hold of me. All right, thank you once again. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics at the garage, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Not only is it a garage, but it is a school. Bring your RV here, set up an appointment. You can get a hold of me at my telephone number 302. I'm not giving it out. You can email me, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. The way to get my telephone number is join the website, which is growing and growing and growing, and more people are learning their RVs, need me less and less, trust me. So that's www.rvdiagnostics.com. Then the ever-growing Facebook page definitely will be 21,000 members this year. That's RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting Facebook page. The YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. Please subscribe, give me thumbs up, leave some messages. That's another way to get a hold of me. All right, thank you once again. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.